Do you know why a person yawns? If not, then let me tell you. If carbon dioxide accumulates in the blood, a person starts yawning. Also, while yawning, a person loses consciousness for a moment and then comes to it again. Why is yawning so contagious? The cause of contagious yawning is psychological. A few years ago, scientists from Drexel University, Philadelphia, conducted a study. They showed the subjects a video of people yawning sweetly and watched the reaction of the participants in the experiment. Some, looking at screen themselves, begin to yawn. Others remain more or less indifferent to this spectacle. Depending on the reaction, all the subjects were divided into two groups and psychological testing was carried out. It turned out that those who are more easily infected by other people yawning are more likely to establish connections with the people around them. In other words, the more sociable a person is, the more often he yawns for company. Thank you. Thank you very much. Please like our video, do share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.